And here we arrive at Faceballs Part 3. Tee-hee-hee. It's high time we talked about eye structures other than rods and cones. I'm feeling a little sheepish because I'm 2 episodes deep and I've talked exclusively about retina and retina accessories. We'll start with the structural backbone known in the streets as sclera. What's that? Mispronunciation? Hold up. Sclera? 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 It's sclera. My whole life it's been sclera. I felt so smart. I was the smart man. I was the one who knew. Now it is me who's the fool of Bagul. Never before has a Google search left me naught but the husk of what I once was. God's blind jester skipping about saying sclera, like a bleached lobster. Anyways, sclera is the white of the eyes and is divided into 3 main portions. The outermost episclera, which is mostly connective tissue. The sclera proper, dense protein sheets that give it the white color. The innermost layer is the lamina fusca, which is fibrous and elastic. It's a science fact that the sclera is both cool and tough and cool, but it's highly recommended you don't rub sand into your eyes. I don't know if they grade it, but coarse. Around the sclera is the gooey conjunctiva, lubing up the sclera, and is made of non-keratinized epithelium and cute little goblet cells. Oh man, I could do a whole video just on goblet cells. Not everybody all the time maintains the white coloration associated with this funky tissue, as some can appear either tinted yellow or even blue. Yellow tint comes from the accumulation of fatty deposits that comes naturally with age, or the accumulation of metabolic leftovers, possibly an indication of liver disease. Blue tint comes from the sclera being relatively thin, making vascular structures underneath highly visible to others. That's why blue tint is most commonly seen in wee babbies. Traveling towards your brainy bits, the sclera transitions into a dura sheet that encloses and protects your precious little optic nerve bundles. Though not technically the sclera itself, the cornea shares a good portion of its job. The cornea also shares the burden of structural support, but can be thought of as a more of an off-tank, by not only protecting, but also contributing to about 70% of the eye's light focusing potential. The real focusing task is handed to the lens though, and we will cover that in our next episode.
Okay folks, I gotta do my next show. See you later, nice time.